My name's Johnny. I work with Industrial Electric Motor Service. I'm a motor tech. Today, I'll be showing you how to test the capacitors in a phase converter using a multimeter. First, we want to remove our screws holding in the casing, or holding everything together. And hopefully we don't run into any surprises on the inside. Being out in the field, they come in with mice nests, wasp nests, a little bit of everything. Anything that can get into them usually gets into them. And this one, as you can see, relatively clean for a phase converter on the inside. We do have what was a snake in there. Now, to be able to test these, we want to remove our jumpers so we can isolate each one to be able to make sure each one is either good or bad. So, well, that's not supposed to happen. That bolt usually holds them down. As you can see, it's not doing its job. I've isolated that bank. And to test, we want to bring it over here. Set this to microfarads, which is this setting right here. You want to press the function key to get it over. And this label tells you this capacitor should have 30 microfarads to it. We connect to opposite sides. And as you can see, we have a reading of 30 microfarads, meaning this is a good capacitor. And we just follow the steps through each one until we figure out which one is bad or what is wrong. It can either be one or a series of these has gone bad, or the motor itself is bad. We're just isolating each step, trying to figure out the root cause of the problem. You can see that's reading an open loop, which suggests that that capacitor right there is bad. Compared to a good one just tested, back again, we have found at least one bad capacitor. And we go through those steps, each capacitor, to find out how many good, how many bad, what we need to replace. Then we go from there. Our next step here is isolating the motor leads from the terminal block to make sure we have a good motor. Now that we have disconnected and isolated the motor leads, we use our megometer connected to a good ground. Connect it to any one of the leads. And that reading right there should read at 2000. We have a 0.89 telling us that this motor right here is shorted to ground internally. And it will either need replaced or rewound.